In this video, I'll show you how you can pay monthly on Apple. So in order to do this, just go to the Apple Store. So you'll usually have that on your phone, or go to the Apple website and just find the product you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy this MacBook, then just click Add to Bag and just go to your bag, and then you want to go to Checkout. So you can see here you have two options. So how would you like to check out? You can either pay in full right now or pay monthly with the Apple Card. So you can see it's $99, a little more per month for 12 months at 0% APR when you use the Apple Card. So if you click Checkout with Apple Card, you can see the details right here. And if you then click Checkout, and then from here just sign in with your Apple ID and just enter the same Apple account that you use with your iCloud. This will be the Apple account associated with your Apple Card account. So you will then also be applying for the Apple Card. So you can see that right here. So you can learn more about it if you want. You can also apply now right there if you want. So you can apply separately. But basically, once you have gotten the Apple Card, you can then use that to pay monthly on Apple. So now you know how to do monthly payments on Apple. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.